This is Chris with our Mfit metabolic goblet squat. All right, so for our phase 1 goblet squat, we're going to need either a kettlebell, as you can see, I'm bringing it a little closer here, or a dumbbell. Okay, and again, bring it a little bit closer here. Now, when we're holding the kettlebell or the dumbbell, goblet position looks like this. Okay, so my hands are kind of like I'm drinking from a goblet, or if we're talking about a dumbbell, a kettlebell, what I like to do is just hold it like this by the horns. So again, I'm just holding it to my chest. It's my heart. Okay, so either one of those is going to work. And now for this first phase, what we're going to do is we're going to log this exercise. We're going to perform this exercise for a period of 30 seconds. Okay, and what that means is when you log into your Trainerize app, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see a launch timer button at the bottom. There are 3 dots on the right-hand side. You're going to click on those dots. You're going to click 30 seconds. All right, and the objective there is now we've set our timer. Now we want to count the number of squats we can perform in a period of 30 seconds. Okay, so that's how this is going to work. All right, so here we go. Here's how we're going to perform our goblet squat. All right, you'll notice with the goblet squat, what I like to do is I have just a target to drop down to. Okay, so I want to get my butt down to the ball. Okay, so I'm thinking, stick my butt out like a bad dance move, tap the ball, come back up. That is a squat. So again, set my timer, squat up and down as many times as I can in 30 seconds. You'll notice as I'm squatting down, weight is in my heel and my midfoot, sticking my butt out, my back is flat. You know, if you find that your back starts to round forward, before you get to the bottom, what you can do is elevate your squat. Okay, so I just simply put my ball up on a step, or I take a couple Reebok steps and I put it up there. And again, I'm not coming down quite as far now, but it's still pretty hard. And again, log the number that you get in 30 seconds. Again, the goal initially, move with a slow and controlled pace. Once you're comfortable with it, try to increase the number of reps that you get with each round, and that's our goal. All right, now for phase 2, our logging is going to be a little bit different. Once again, going back to the 3 dots on our launch timer icon, I want you to choose 6 minutes. Okay, we're going to perform our exercise, or our circuit of exercises for 6 minutes, and our goal is to perform these 3 exercises that you'll find in your program as many times as possible back to back in a period of 6 minutes. Okay, we're going to perform 12 reps for each exercise. The goal is to get as many rounds as possible, meaning if I get 3 rounds, if I do the circuit 3 times in total, that's sort of my baseline. If I can then do it 5 times the next time I do the workout, I've packed more work in the same amount of time. Okay, so therefore I'm in better shape. For this phase, we're going to make it a little harder, our squat. So rather than doing a goblet squat, we're going to do a prisoner jump squat, okay, or just a jump squat. So now, jump squat on its own, sticking my butt out, I'm hopping just up and down like that. You'll notice that as I jump, I'm landing in squat position, so I'm not landing standing. I'm up and down, okay, like a frog, okay? Now, if you want to make this harder, you can put your hands on your head. If you want to make it easier, you know, you find that your knees hurt when you do this or what have you, okay, just revert to a goblet squat. Again, just squat straight up and down. 12 reps is what we're looking for.